Today, I'm going to do a brief intro on Bopomofo, the phonetic symbols Taiwanese use for learning Mandarin Chinese at school. There are 37 symbols along with 4 tones. I know it's hard to learn a language without audio guides, so I'm here to create this tutorial to help you on that. Po, po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he, ji, qi, xi, zhi, chi, shi, ri, zi, ci, si, yi, wu, yu, a, o, e, I, a, ow, o, an, ong, ong, Okay, these are the 37 symbols. Now, moving to the tones, we're going to use mo with a for examples. The first tone is an even tone. The pitch of your voice does not change. It's a lot like what in English, as in ma. The second tone is a rising tone. The pitch of your voice goes higher as you speak, like when you ask a question, such as now. In Chinese, it would be like ma. The third tone is a tricky one. The pitch of your voice goes low first, then rises up, like when you respond to people and say yes. In Chinese, it's ma. The fourth tone is a dropping tone. The pitch of your voice goes low fast, a little bit like when you're annoyed or angry and say no. As for Chinese, it would be ma. There is actually an additional neutral tone that is not exactly a tone, but we call it a tone anyway. It is more like a short sound. For example, ma. So these are the 37 symbols and the 4 tones along with neutral tone. Hope this helps. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you. See you guys next time. Bye.